Let me start off this episode by saying this may very well be the most explosive, if not the most, one of the most explosive new assets that I've ever shared with any of you. I know that's saying a lot, but most of you are searching for the next great project to invest in. Now, it is built on Virtual's protocol platform, all right? And if you are not familiar with Virtual's, did a video on it just a week ago. You can find it here. Go watch that and then come back. Now, this new asset has made its first investors a ton of money, all right? And you are fortunate enough for me to share it with you, because when I say a ton of money, I mean a ton of money, okay? Now, the project that I'm speaking about is, of course, AIXBT, okay, or AIXBT. Now we're going to look at it. I'm going to tell you all about it. And lastly, for those that are interested, I'm going to show you where you can get your hands on it. Now, before we do so, this video is brought to you by BitFi, which is the fastest growing exchange on the planet. Now, with BitFi, you're able to get coins and tokens that you cannot purchase on Coinbase or Crypto.com or anywhere else for that matter. All right. That for me was reason number one, but there are several others. Now, when you sign up for your own account using my official link, you're going to earn new user rewards. You see me scrolling over right there, 13K. That's 13,000 in USDT stable coins just by making investments, purchasing crypto, and passing quizzes and tests, enhancing your knowledge. All right, gentlemen. Also, look, why BitFi? BitFi, 1 million plus investors in over 150 countries. That's another reason. Now, another new feature that we have, tutorial videos for beginners, how to deposit, how to withdraw, and how to trade USDT and purchase whatever coin you're looking to get. All right. And then lastly, trade anywhere in the world. Download the app, the Apple Store, Google Play, Windows, Mac, Android, everywhere. As a matter of fact, the star of today's video is available for purchase here as well. Look at this. Not on Coinbase, not on Crypto.com, but you can get it right here and look at it. Today, just alone, that's up 16%. All right, now we're going to get into all that. All right, but make sure you like, subscribe, and also share this video with someone that you know that would benefit greatly from it. AIXBT is an AI agent and driven crypto market intelligence platform designed to provide token holders with a strategic edge in the rapidly evolving crypto space, leveraging advanced narrative detection and alpha-focused analysis. It automates the process of tracking and interpreting market trends, helping users gain actionable insights. We like this. It emphasizes integrating various data sources and platforms for comprehensive analysis and decision making, i.e. tools for us to use, gentlemen. Now, what we're looking at right now is the official website. I will be linking it in the description. Remember, AIX or AIXBT is built on Virtual's protocol platform. So that's why you see that there. And then you can see down here, let's go. We're going to get into all the specifics. I'm just showing you right here. Now, as of today, December the 31st, which is, of course, New Year's Eve, you can see currently at the time of filming, up 12%, 61 cents currently per token. All right, pay attention. I'm in the top left-hand corner. It is currently ranked number 211 out of over 10,000 coins on the market today, gentlemen. Okay, that's big, and I'm going to show you why that is big. Market cap, $500 million, 523 million. It just went up. Still in the top left corner. Stay with me. Then you can see the trading volume, 24 hours, $130 million right there. Bought and sold in the last 24 hours. Underneath that, the total supply and then the maximum supply, 1 billion AIXBT tokens. It will never be more than that issued ever or created ever. Now let's go deeper than that. All right, let's go over the last week. Look, up almost 100%, just under 100%, 99%. Look at that. Look, if you would have bought in last week at 31 cents, you would already doubled your money. Come on. See, the more you support the channel, the more you give, the more I give. That's how this works. Because I've already given you all far more than 99.9% of you have contributed back. And I know most of you are new, but we gotta, this is a give and take transactional relationship, gentlemen. Look, see right there, that's when it reached this all-time high of 64 cents. Let's go deeper. Over the last month, you can see it's up over 200%. It's going to get even better. Just watch. Look, you can see the price right there. It's trading volume $21 million. And this was December the 1st. This is the first of the month. Okay. How many of you even knew this coin existed 2 weeks ago? A week ago, prior to this video? Then look, over the last year, of course, it's not a year old. This is what I'm going to show you. The token is up over 1,000%, just like I said in the thumbnail. Look at this, 1,300%. I should just go buy an island. Look at this. November the 2nd. Look, it's tenths of a penny, not even a penny. Look at this trading volume, 24 hours. This is what I want you to pay attention. Look at the 24-hour trading volume. It's nothing. It's literally nothing. Look at that, $1,000. It goes even lower than that. Look, when it first came out, $100. 21. I think that's 21,000 though. But look how minuscule that is. Look, literally nothing. This was literally less than 2 months ago. You understand? Is it starting to sink in? Look at this. Look at this, the 24-hour trading volume. Look how small it is. And then we're going up in November. I want to show you all, this is the kind of things that I pay attention to when I'm making investments. Look at it now. You see it goes up November the 20th. We're into the millions now. You see there? From November the 20th, it reached a new level. And from there, it's just been going bananas. Look at that. That's how you can go from a couple $1,000s in a day trading volume. Look at that, $4. What is that? Literally maybe $400, $100, $50. Look at this. That's November 3rd. That's the power of investing in crypto, gentlemen. Now, if this video has been of value to you and the channel as a whole, show your appreciation and your support in a way that makes the most impact. That, of course, is financially, and you can do so by contributing any amount of USDC or USDT stablecoins to our address in the description. It helps us to grow because money is energy. Money is fuel. And the way our agreement is, I teach you how to make money. You make money and you reinvest back into the channel. That's how this works. All right. And that's the way it's always going to work. That's the way it's always worked. I've been this way since day one. You can go back and watch the very first video that I made 3 years ago. Okay. And if you look back and see, you'll see just how much valuable information I've shared with hundreds of thousands of people here on this platform. Okay. And I have so much more to give you, but I have to receive in return. I mean, no relationship can be one-sided. And in this world that we're living in today, that's the prevalent culture, which is why I don't involve myself with most people. That being said, I want all of you to know there is something that I've been building for quite some time that is currently under construction. And no one outside of you listening to this right now knows this. As a matter of fact, January is a very important month for me personally. because it's the month that I became a father. And also in January of this coming year, I'm going to be giving birth to a new baby, a digital baby, one that my loyal supporters, my most loyal supporters, will be able to benefit greatly financially from. But again, that's all about loyalty. Loyalty is an action word. You have to display loyalty. You have to do something physically to prove that you're loyal. Because anyone is disloyal, I won't even have them 100 feet around within my range. I just won't. I'm too valuable. Not just in this space, I mean in my life. I've always been valuable, but now I have zero tolerance for worthless people, and sadly, 99% of humans today are worthless. That being said, decide now if you want to get on, you riding with me and take your life to the next level, because no matter what, I'm taking off. And everyone that's down with me, they're taking off. And everyone else is going to get left behind. That's the way it is. That's the only way it should ever be. And I want to wish my loyal supporters, I want to wish my family, and those that I've yet to meet a new year, Happy New Year. Until next time, get in there and make it happen.